Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Today we're looking at this amazing T32 ABT Sportsline Kombi van. This van comes finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey and comes with some rose gold contrast painted parts. This vehicle is equipped with a 2-litre Bi-TDI engine pushing out 197 bhp and comes equipped with a DSG Automatic gearbox as well as a 4MOTION 4-wheel drive system. Adding to the sharp styling of this van are some LED headlamps, as well as the beautiful front bumper, which comes with an ABT front styling pack. The vehicle comes with a few different accents of rose gold coloured painted parts along the side of the vehicle as well, giving a very stylish feature to this van. There is an ABT front rear splitter, and the vehicle sits on the very stylish 20-inch ABT GR alloy wheels in a high gloss black colour. Towards the rear of the vehicle is a rear ABT skirt, complete with some more of those lovely rose gold parts, and up top we have a rear roof spoiler with again some of those rose gold contrasting parts as well. This van also comes with the full ABT quad exhaust system in chrome, giving a very nice sound to the vehicle as well. Inside the boot space of this ABT Sportsline Kombi van comes a carpet-lined interior, complete on the sides as well as the floor. Dotted along the roof are some LED spot lamps, and taking a look now at the 3-seater rear passenger bench, it's finished in a lovely leather and Alcantara combination with some very lovely rose gold stitching. Up front is similar to the rear seats with a 2-seater passenger bench up front, as well as excellent styling. The vehicle also comes with a digital cockpit. Moving over to the 8-inch colour touchscreen infotainment system, it houses a few nifty features such as the parking distance control, and once reverse gear has been selected, that rear view camera feed will also display. The van has excellent access to FM as well as DAB radio stations, providing a wide and varied list of different music genres, and also features App Connect, which allows you to connect through Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. On screen is the Apple CarPlay function, which allows for some excellent smartphone functionality whilst driving safely and much more. The vehicle also comes with inbuilt navigation system, which features the very tech-savvy and stylish 3D Maps software for a more immersive feel. The van also comes with a very stylish carbon fibre effect leather-trimmed multifunction steering wheel, finished in more of that lovely rose gold contrast stitching. The vehicle comes with a very functional digital cockpit system, which allows the driver to have a more unique and customizable driving experience.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 1 year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year roadside assistance. For any further information, you can inquire online or give us a call on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.